I'm Caroline Artiss. I'm a chef, cookbook author, and a mum. I've moved to America from London with my daughter, and it's already been such a whirlwind. My first cookbook is about to be released, and I believe food is directly connected to beauty. So I wrote a book all about that called Beauty Foods. I've been lucky enough to collaborate with some of my favourite top chefs like Jamie Oliver and John Turode. I'm half English and I'm half Malaysian, and I use a lot of my Asian influences in my food. I've travelled the world in search of some of the best recipes and flavours.
Caroline, meet the crew.
Hi guys!
Hi. Like the real deal.
Okay, you guys are really quick. Wow, this is like scallop heaven really. Gonna catch one. Woo! Look how clean and gorgeous these are. I'm going to cook them with a bit of crispy bacon and make a very simple, delicate Japanese style ponzu sauce to go with them. The first thing is some bacon. Bacon tends to go well with just about anything. I'm just going to literally do a few seconds each side straight onto your plate. A few bits of crispy bacon on top of each scallop. Now we want to drizzle a little bit of the sauce on top and a little bit around. It's really just to complement them. And I like to finish my dish with a bit of greenery on top, some micro herbs, whatever you've got around. And that is it. Scallops are ready.
Myself and 3 other female chefs from England opened the gorgeous kitchen restaurant at London Heathrow, which was recently named #1 airport restaurant in the world. Now this salad is done. I have enough time to get my strawberry salad ready before the pizza is cooked. I'm going to start by making the dressing. I've got whole grain mustard, garlic. I'm going to finally chop up my garlic. Now actually a good little tip when you are chopping garlic and you want to get it nice and crushed is to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil, just so that kind of makes it into a smoother paste when you chop it together. And kind of squish it with your knife. And then a bit of olive oil. I've got red wine vinegar. A couple of tablespoons of that, and to balance out the sharpness of the vinegar I'm actually using some strawberry jam. So this adds the sweetness, so it's not going to be too sharp, just a little bit of jam. I'm going to add salt and pepper, a little bit, and I'm just going to whisk these all together, get out any lumps of the jam, make it nice and smooth. I'm going to chop up the rest of the ingredients. Lovely fresh strawberries. I'm a big fan of strawberries. So I'm going to slice these up. I'm just going to add them now to my plate. I'm going to slice up some basil, fresh basil, and it goes really, really well with strawberries. So I'm going to just roughly chop this up a little bit. Sprinkle your basil all over the top. Now for the feta cheese, I like a good crumble of this, and the colours here look so lovely together. Now fresh walnuts, which have been toasted. I like to toast my walnuts first just to bring out that flavour. And all I do now is sprinkle my dressing on top. So that's ready, other salad's ready. Pizza's going to be out of the oven in a minute. And dinner is done. Having these 2 vibrant, colourful salads is the perfect way to balance your plate. And I'll see you very soon.